at this point, as we head into the overnight session and into tomorrow, like I mentioned this morning, the market is getting closer to putting in that directional move. It is getting primed for a directional move. And with the Fed announcement due tomorrow, that could be the catalyst that triggers this directional move. I've talked about the idea of how key high volume nodes can often serve as launching points for directional movement. And there has been a lot of volume consolidating around that 3210 HVN as well as 3218. So there's a lot of volume being built up in this current balance area. And quite often, when that happens, the market is very close to putting in a directional move away from the high volume node. And the high volume node serves as a launching point for that directional movement. So I think we should be on the lookout for a directional move over the next 1 to 2 days. And the market is getting kind of geared and primed for it. So if we start to see in real time some real directionality coming into the market, then we're going to want to avoid fading it, right? So today, zone fades worked really well. What I'm saying is that we may be approaching a day where zone fades don't work that well, and that the market could be setting up for a directional move. Now, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know when that's going to happen, but, based on what typically happens, it's probably going to be over the next 1 to 2 days, maybe 3 days max, but most likely over the next 1 to 2 days, I think we'll get a move away from the 3210 and the 3218 HVN. And then the other thing is quite often when these moves kick off, there is a tendency for the market to move from HVN to HVN. So if we kick off a move to the upside, then the 3265 level can come into play.